Hello guys, in previous video we have discussed how you can see that my email is read by someone or not. In this video you will learn how you can add Bluetooth icon to taskbar. So before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's go towards screen. First go to Start menu and search Settings. Open Settings. Now go to Devices. Now at right side, click on More Bluetooth options. Check this box. Click OK. Now you can see Bluetooth icon added to taskbar. If you find my video helpful, then please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.